Okay, second video. So we are into the test that happens after we replace the wire harness. So the wire harness from here to the bottom has been fully replaced. We've also, based on the fact that the customer says that the incline changes itself randomly, we've also eliminated two of the extension wires, and in their place we've installed a filter wire. We're hoping that installing a filter wire lowers the possibility that the incline is changing because of electromagnetic interference of some sort from the power wires for the drive motor. Now it's a long shot, but it is also something that's recognized on all the other treadmills. So we've disconnected or separated the lower voltage wires from the higher voltage wires and tried to eliminate that possibility. Drive motor's running normally, incline is working normally, calibrated fine. So and we found no issues with the original wire harness, meaning no crimps or pinches or any damage to the original upright wire harness. So it is possible that the customer's kind of exaggerating the issue, in that she may have had a one-off issue of the incline changing on its own for some reason, but she's also indicating that when she turns the machine on, the incline calibrates itself frequently. That's not so uncommon, that when you first turn it on, if the last person to turn it off was lowering the machine when the incline was moving when the console key was pulled or the switch was pulled or clicked, then the next time the next person gets on, they have to sit and wait through a calibration. So that is maybe what's going on in most of the incline issues. In terms of the shutoff, when the customer is using it, the customer indicates that the console shuts off and resets. It's not a situation where the tread stops running and the console keeps going. That would be a motor controller or a motor. In this particular case, the console blinks back to 0 too, which would be something as simple as a loose key or something more like a power supply issue, where the machine loses power for just a split second, turns back on, the console's reset to 0, and then the machine in the meantime has stopped. So we're not able to recreate the original issue, any of the original symptoms. We have replaced the wire harness, and at this point we're now into the second test of, I don't know how many minutes, it'll come up in a second. You can hear that the motor's running smoothly. We're now approaching 12 minutes. So we're going to keep going. We're going to align the walk belt and keep testing, but right now I'm coming to the conclusion that it's just as likely to be a power supply problem in terms of the shutoff, because the console resets, as it is any component in the treadmill itself.